Well, hello again. William Chambers here. I know it's been a long time since I posted a video, so I thought I'd do one tonight. Working in the shop here, we got the crops all in last week, so I'm going full out on the painting here because I got a lot of tractors to do. So I've actually made quite a few videos in the last month, but never posted any of them because, well, for lack of time mostly. We started planting the 15th of May and we finished, well, last Friday afternoon. We went 5 weeks straight, no breaks, no rain. Well, we had lots of breaks, just not the kind of break you want, but yeah, so we're just kind of waiting for things to dry out so we can cut our 8 acres of hay. So I did some painting the other day and trying to get some of these panels out of here. These panels, well, obviously for the 1600. I just got the decals today. Thought I'd get them on. And the only color I ever remember this tractor being was rust. So it looks kind of nice to see it all painted up, and the light doesn't do it much justice here. This is actually for the 550. So I'm just trying to, I don't like decals sitting around either, because if you leave them, well, they'll just get wrecked if they sit around. It's just like anything. So I thought I'd get a few of them on and get them out of here. And those panels over there, those are for the 1800. Actually, all these pieces are for the 1800. This is actually a heat shield here. That goes around the propane tank. So I got those ready to paint. I'll probably paint them tonight. And I got the Super 88 panels here. The 411R nose piece and 550 hood, 540 hood, 411R hood. Side panels for the 1950. And our short 1800 hood, 1600 hoods. It's done sitting here. Yeah, there's not much hood for the 1800 because the tank takes up most of the room. So I'd like to apologize to my viewers. I haven't made any videos in the last month. Like I said, lack of time. Well, I made videos, but lack of time of posting them. And I didn't do any tillage videos or planting videos this year. You know what? After you've been doing it for 5 weeks, it's boring as hell, and I really don't want to bore my viewers to death, so I thought I'd stick to the restoration work here. A lot of guys like to see these old tractors restored, and I think that's kind of what I'm going to focus the channel on from now on. So I'm just going to take a walk down to the other shed here, and I'll show you the progress on the Cockshutt 30. Well, down here in the other shed, I had to find a corner to put this thing. So, I guess if you want to call that progress, yeah. That's the piston down in there, and that's the sleeve. And I'm really lucky because that's the only sleeve, or that's the only piston that's seized in there. I don't have a light in here. But the cylinder walls are just like new. I'm just going to pull the pistons out and hone it a bit just to smooth it up. A little wee bit of rust near the top, but no little ridge there. You usually get that little ridge there where the top of the piston comes up to over years and years of wear, but quite honestly, I don't think this tractor did much except for sit out in the rain with no rain cap on the muffler. That's about all it did. And I've actually found a sleeve and piston. It's a 3 9/16 bore. And the good folks up at Ontario Tractor have one. It's actually hard to find one of these that was being wrecked. I called all the local wreckers here, and none of them had any. They didn't even have any whole engines available. I figured if I could find an engine for $500, that'd be a better route to go, but no such luck. So I'll get that in there, and I'll get the rebuild kit for the carburetor, and I also need a manifold. Where did it end up? Yeah, that's not going to do me much good there. But what happened, I think, is it filled up with water and then froze and busted that casting out. That's why, folks, rain caps are very important. If you don't have one on your tractor, it'll be the cheapest insurance you ever bought. Just going to walk back here and show you the Super 88. Now this is the way we dragged it home, and it does run. I actually backed it in here, but problem is all the damn gas leaks out of it, and every time you go to start it, you gotta put gas in it. But it runs great, drives nice. Rubber's actually pretty good on it. Trying to get used to these old tractors. I forget how much Dad paid for this one. All the tin work was already prepped. Like just gonna pop this nose piece off, and then I'll sandblast the rest of it. Shouldn't take too long. That'll give Dad a chance to rebuild the carburetor. I think it's the floats. The light's terrible in there. I think the floats needle's stuck open, so it just runs right through it. Yeah, kind of neat old bugger. So yeah, that's what's been going on here, and over the next few weeks, I'm hoping in July I'm going to get a lot painted. I don't have anything going on in July other than our little bit of hay. But August, there'll be a tractor pull at the end of the month. We're signed up for that. Taking 3 tractors this year. The 1655, the new 1755, and the 1850. My daughter wanted to pull with, so give her a chance to try it out and see what it's all about. So until next time, thanks for watching.